Mixer is a key point for making fine bread. With the ever-changing baking industry equipment, forward to smart machinery is a target but also a tendency. Innovation. In the energy-saving part, we improve the design of the traditional spiral mixer. Through the design of 2 twist hooks and a removable bowl, the stirring time can be less than the same capacity spiral mixer. The stirring efficiency is better than the traditional mixer. It can reduce frictional heat generated during the stirring process. The whole design considers energy saving, low temperature rising, which saves time, labor, cost and energy. In the innovation part, we focused on digitization and improved the traditional record way. The digital panel is able to set up maintenance time, 10 sets of mixing recipes, monitor and feedback the abnormal information. The design is humanization and easy to clean. Function. Positioning device is controlled by hydraulic system. It detects the machine combination that makes sure the machine stays in a safe and stable situation during working. No cause the noise or damage to the structure due to wear, extending the life of the machine. 2 speed stages, time adjustable, and able to control manually or automatically makes the dough quality stable. Many practical designs comply with the purpose of the multifunction in one machine. It can stir the low water moisture dough and puff pastry dough that the normal spiral mixer can't be. Suitable for a wide range of products and more economical. Structure. Adopted with the detachable hydraulic system, let structure stronger. The main components of the inside structure like spindle, bearing, and gear. Their tolerances are all between plus or minus 0.01 mm. Make sure the machine works smoothly, enhances the stirring efficiency and reduces energy consumption to meet the mass production applications. The mixer is made of food-grade stainless steel, which guarantees the safety of food. Built-in stop sensor and observing window make sure the operator is able to work safely. We passed the ISO 9001 certification. In order to improve the quality, we always listen to customers and survey regularly, and take these data as our important index for our company operations. Application. The stainless steel twin twist mixer was the Taiwan's first machine that we were ahead of the industry and developed and manufactured. Adopted by large-scale bread production line factories at home and abroad. We created our own brand, CHANMAG, combined with hardware and software to become a trusted partner supporting the world's leading food and baking factories. CHANMAG, your best partner in the baking industry.